I gave artificial intelligence $1,000 to manage, and here's what happened. At first everything was initially quite slow and very unclear, but then this happened. I earned more than $10,000 in a week. Let's break down how this happened and how to obtain and set up this artificial intelligence. On the first day, I decided not to configure anything and to trade at 10%. That is, I didn't take any actions, I just traded based on the signals from the artificial intelligence. I didn't set up the chart, I didn't use the best entry points, I just took 10% per trade and started working. I confirmed the functionality of this artificial intelligence and realized that I could move forward and somehow improve and increase my amount. Since on the first day I earned 37% on top of my deposit, that's already a pretty good result. And after this result, I started to delve into what I could improve. On the second day, I decided to try the best entry points. I chose 5-second candles, and this is indeed the best entry point. But I also decided to pay attention to the payouts. I decided to choose only those currency pairs where the payout percentage is more than 70% in order to earn quickly. And I also decided to trade with 15% of the deposit. This should help increase it even faster. My deposit... I waited for the best entry points, opened trades, got one loss, but still earned excellently. More than $600 in just one day. But that wasn't enough for me, and I decided to delve deeper into how Booster Bow works. And I started studying its inner workings, and there was quite a lot of interesting stuff. And it turns out I initially launched my bot incorrectly. So on the third day, I began to correct all these mistakes, and let's see what came out of it. It turns out the booster bot can be customized, and I want to do that, for which I need to open 5 trades. But since I have already activated the booster bot, I need to activate it again. To do this, it's enough to type the start command, and I pressed this command. I chose one currency pair on which I will open 5 trades, since I need to open 5 trades. In order to customize the bot for myself, I found out that adaptation needs to be done individually. I did it, and all 5 of my trades ended up in profit. And I earned more than $600 just by adapting the bot for myself. For this, it was only necessary to open 5 trades on one currency pair at the same time. And at the same time for the trade, and after that, the bot is fully ready to work. After this, I realized that I could take bigger risks, and I set the percentage per trade to 25%. In my case, initially it was $670. Besides learning and doing how to adapt the bot booster, I started to understand how it is structured, and I found out that it uses the latest version of GPT Chat to perform its analysis. It has a total of 94 integrated indicators. It can also analyze the news background. And the most surprising thing for me is what the bot can do and understand. Analysis based on the smart money concept. All of this combined yields excellent results, which you can see on your screen right now. If I had known earlier that it needed to be adapted to my needs, I would have taken the risk immediately. But I started testing it step by step, and only in the end did I come to the point where I could open trades at 25% of the deposit, and as you can see, just 3 days of testing and already on the 3rd day, my balance is $5,000. This means that I increased my deposit by a whole 5 times. 500% in 3 days. If I continue at the same pace, I will earn more than $20,000 in a week. It was precisely because I did everything step by step that I managed to earn. I will leave a link to this bot in the description, so go ahead, activate it, and now replicate my results. You know that it needs to be adapted once more. For this, you need to choose one currency pair and open 5 trades on it at the same time, and preferably with the same amount. And after that, the bot starts to adjust to you very well. This bot also has a support account where you can, at any moment, you can write and ask your question. I will leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And as you can see, during all this time, I had only one loss, which didn't really affect my statistics. So right now, go ahead and take this bot for your use. With that, I will say goodbye to you until we meet again soon. And I wish you good luck in trading.